Welcome guys to a tutorial on Microsoft Word. This tutorial is specifically going to show you how to change your theme in Microsoft Word. Here this is my MS Word pinned on my taskbar. In case yours isn't pinned, you can click on the search bar and type Word. This is it, click on it. Enlarge, whatever version you might be using, be sure it's the same way to change them. If you are using 2016 version, you will observe that my theme is quite different from the way yours is. Now to change this theme, just go to the File menu. Click Options. Now this is it. Click on the desired theme and tick OK and apply. You see my theme has changed. You go back and click again on Options. Change the Office theme to white and click OK. Now this is a whole different theme and it's plain white. Click on Option again. Now there is a reason why you should use the dark theme. It helps a lot if you are working in the night to protect your eyes or you are repulsive to light. This is the perfect theme for you. So we click OK. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please do well to click on subscribe button.